So what is the impact of giving false financial information to the family law court in your divorce or family law case? I'm Gerald Maggio, Southern California divorce and family law attorney. In this video, I'm going to explain 7 legal ramifications of what can happen if a party lies, essentially, to the court, gives false information that misleads the court intentionally. Number 1, contempt of court. The court can find that the party giving the false information, if it's believed to be misrepresented intentionally, can on its own pursue a contempt action against that party, which is criminal in nature and can actually lead to certain punishments and potential jail time. It's a serious offense. I don't see that happening very often in family court at all in my 25 years of practice, but it certainly is something that certainly can happen. Number 2, penalties and fines. The court has the ability to make penalties, including fines and sanctions, against the party that's giving false information in favor of the party that's being hurt because of giving such false information to the court. Number 3, sanctions. This is along the lines of penalties and fines, but specifically sanctions are usually pursuant to Family Code 271, which is a catch-all provision regarding when somebody acts in bad faith in a family law case, and that can include giving false information to the court that's relied on by the court and hurts the other party, that the court has the ability to award Family Code 271 sanctions against the perpetrating party. Number 4, credibility issues. This is important. Once somebody has given false information to the court, in the eyes of the court, that party is looked to have less credibility. The bottom line is lying to the court, making misrepresentations can hurt a party's credibility and affect the case. They can affect the outcome because the court has to determine who is the more credible person. Number 5, perjury charges. The court can certainly find that the party that is misrepresenting information has perjured themselves, because oftentimes things like an income and expense declaration are filed and signed under penalty of perjury, that it's true and correct. And if it's determined that that's intentional misrepresentation, well, they've signed a document that says it's true and correct, and essentially they're determined that they're lying in that regard. And so the court can pursue perjury charges. That also doesn't happen very often. And again, the bigger thing is it's usually more going towards the issue of credibility of the party. Number 6, impact on case outcomes. What I mean by that is if the court finds that somebody is making false information and representations to the court, that can have a direct outcome on things like child support, spousal support, attorney's fees, sanctions, and other financial decisions. It can have a direct impact on the outcome of those issues in these type of cases. Number 7, loss of legal remedies. What I mean by that is if somebody is being dishonest to the court on financial issues or other issues, it can lead to loss of legal remedies that can impact the other part of the case in a variety of ways. The judge is probably not going to forget what that person did, and it can have a negative impact on their case outcome on other issues potentially. The key is credibility in these cases. I'm Gerald Maggio, Southern California divorce and family law attorney, and in my 25 years of practice, one thing I've learned is that the quicker you act, the better outcome in your case. If you or anybody you know is going through a divorce or family law case, feel free to contact us for a free consultation. We can explain what your legal rights are and give you a roadmap of what to go and do as next steps. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video for more helpful information about divorce and family law issues. See you next time.